Hi, my name's Erin.
Hi, my name is Ianu.
Hi, my name's Sam.
Hi, I'm Viren.
Hi, my name is Oscar.
So this is our project, and it's for an ankle reconditioning device for people that have been particularly bedbound in hospital conditions. So it's to help them regain their ankle strength so that they're able to get up, start walking again and get back to their daily activities.
We have built a surface vehicle and an underwater remotely controlled vehicle to inspect ship hulls.
The challenge is to make a locomotive that's a 10.25-inch gauge that can compete at the IMechE Railway Challenge, which is a competition that many universities from across the UK compete at.
We've just finished up our fourth year engineering project where we were designing a wearable device for a visually impaired person to be able to navigate indoor spaces.
The project focused on a robot which detects cracks along railways. It's designed for single tracks and it uses acoustic ultrasonic sensors to pulse and receive signals to find defects along railway systems across the UK.